Let's make grilled chicken in a pan. To marinate, let's add seasoning, ground black pepper, achiote powder, oyster sauce, soy sauce, minced garlic, and at least 3 pieces of calamansi juice. Mix it until well combined. Marinate it for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour to absorb the flavors. You can also add a little amount of sugar for sweetness. So dito guys, sa aking recipe kasi nakalimutan ko maglagay ng konting sugar. So you can add. And after 30 minutes, ayan guys, niluto ko na siya. Ayan, sa medium heat lang. Para hindi naman masunog ang ating grilled chicken. So, ayan, dito ko siya guys niluluto sa aking medium size pan. So, ayan, madali lang naman lutuin ang chicken since malambot lang naman siya.